So guys, today I am going to show you how to program the Attiny chip using an Arduino Nano board. So let's get started. Firstly, let's make the connections. Pin 8 of Attiny goes to 5 volts, that is pin 8 is VCC for Attiny and it goes to 5 volts of Arduino Nano. Pin 4 of Attiny goes to ground, that is pin 4 of Attiny is ground, so they are connected together. Now that the power pins are connected, now we will connect the SPI bus, that is MOSI, MISO, chip select and clock. So the pin 1, that is chip select of Attiny, will be connected to digital pin 10. Pin 12, 11, 12, 13 will be connected to Attiny pin number 5, 6, 7 respectively, that is pin 10 is chip select, so pin 11, digital pin 11 is going to be connected to pin number 5 of Attiny, that is MOSI, master out slave in pin. Pin 12 will be connected to Attiny pin number 6. Digital pin 13 will be connected to Attiny pin number 7. And pin number 6 of Attiny is master in slave out MISO pin, as well as pin number 12 for Arduino Nano, it's also MISO pin, so they are connected together. So let's connect it. You can see that the connections are over right now. Now we will go to the Arduino IDE and program the chip. Firstly, go to File, Preferences, and paste this link that I have attached in the preferences section, and in additional board manager URL you have to paste that link. I have attached that link, you can see that link, paste it and click on OK. After clicking on OK, go to Tools, go to Boards. Since I have already installed the Attiny board, it is showing up here, but I'll reinstall it. Go to Boards Manager. It will take a while. Write down DIY, and DIY Attiny by James Sleeman would be shown there. Select the latest version and install it. This will take a while, like 2-3 seconds as per your internet speed. You can see that the board is installed. Now we can close it. Firstly, you have to upload Arduino ISP sketch in Arduino Nano. To do that, disconnect one of the VCC or ground pins that is connected to the Attiny, so that there is no connection and there is no hindrance in uploading the code to Arduino Nano. You can just remove one of the VCC or ground, anything you can remove it. I removed the VCC. Now there is no connection between Attiny and Arduino Nano, so I'll just upload Arduino ISP code to Arduino Nano and we'll proceed further. Now you can go to file examples, Arduino ISP, click on it. This is shown. Click select Arduino Nano. Because I am using Nano, you can use any board as per your convenience. I'm using Nano here. Connections are same for every board, like except for Mega. Okay, for Nano and Uno, connections are almost same. You have to connect to the same pins that I've connected to the Nano in Uno also. Port, select the COM port, select programmer USB ASP, because I am programming Arduino Nano right now. I am programming Arduino Nano such that it will be in system programmer. It will be the programmer for the Attiny chip. So I'll upload this code. Click on upload. It will take a while. The uploading is finished. Now you can go to tools, select the Attiny board, Attiny chip. I have Attiny 13. You can select the chip what you have. It will be written on the chip itself. Go to tools again. I have the Attiny chip 13A, so I'll specify it. Tools again. Go to tools again and select programmer as Arduino as ISP. Now you need to burn the bootloader. Before doing this, I'll connect back the VCC pin so that there is connection between Arduino Nano and Attiny chip. I've already connected it. Now we'll burn the bootloader into the Attiny chip. Click on burn bootloader. It will take a while, and done. It is done. Burning bootloader is done. Now go to file, examples, basics, blink. It's been a problem selecting like blink sketch, control all, select copy it and open a new file. Filming your own videos are always a problem. I almost froze for a minute. So I think I need to paste it now. Since the pin setup for Attiny board is little bit different, so instead of, oh no, it has been commented. Just do this. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Oh no. Again, I'll paste it back. I'll delete all these things till this. I'll keep the void setup. Instead of LED built-in, you have to write down pin number 4 or any pin, like pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write down pin number 4. I replaced the LED built-in with pin number 4 I'll connect an LED to pin number 4 of Attiny chip, and I'll upload this code to the chip. It will take a while. Just waiting, and I like to see these things, though I don't understand most of it. Still, at least if there is a problem in uploading, I can get some information about it. I'm waiting for AVRDU to say that it's done. I don't know what's the problem with my IDE. The sketches uploading is very slow. If you know anything that could solve this problem, please ping me. It would be a great help for me. Yoo-hoo! I think it's going to be done now. Let's wait. Okay. Here is a AVRDU verifying. AVRDU done. Thank you so much. I waited for 2 minutes. Okay. Now that the blink sketch is done, we'll connect an LED to pin number 4, and we'll see whether it blinks or not. Now in Attiny, like GPIO 4 is pin number 3. Like if you write 4 in Arduino IDE, you have to connect the LED to pin number 3. That is GPIO 4. It's actually pin number 3 of Attiny. So I'm connecting an LED to pin number 3. And yes, it blinks. So we have successfully programmed and uploaded the blink sketch to the Attiny. Now if we remove these pins, that is SPI connections, and remove these pins, and keep only the ground, still the LED is blinking. Means that we have just powered the Attiny chip, and the chip has the program of blinking the LED already installed in it. So it's just doing its job. Okay, that was long enough. Okay, 13 minutes. Filming your own videos are very tough. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Oh no, wait a while. I had made a small programmer. There are ICSP pins that can be connected to the Arduino Nano. These are ICSP pinouts, in circuit programming pinouts. We can connect it to this using a head like jumper wires, and we have to keep the Attiny chip in this socket. You can make your own like programmers, so that you don't have to connect now and then to the breadboard. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the thumbs up if you like this. If you don't, please leave your feedback. Thank you so much.